welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's first day of the week. It's happy Monday and time check it's 8:40 in the morning here in Dubai. Kakagising ko lang literally. And morning. So, naglalag pa yung utak ko. So, I changed my routine to Bragg apple cider. Before I used to have lemon plus warm water. Now I changed it to Bragg this time. Actually, bago ko to bilhin, I was just thinking kung bibili na lang ako ng chewable na apple cider. Para siyang, well, multivitamin, something like that. Yeah. But then, I feel like mas cheaper kapag magbabrag ako tsaka water, and at the same time, mas organic siya. So yeah, nag-end up ako sa Bragg since yun din naman yung ginagamit ng husband ko. And yeah, so far so good. Finally, dumating na yung Shein order ko yesterday. So we will gonna do the unboxing at saka haul, maybe. We'll see. Yun yung mga in-order ko for the wedding. Meron akong I think 4 different formal dress for the upcoming wedding sa Pilipinas. There's a motif na naka-organized by my niece. So, talagang in-inform niya ako na, tita, ganito ang kulay, ganyan-ganyan. Actually, I bought a green for my mom when they were here in Dubai. Pero, dinis-approve niya. So, again, they need to find other option. But, my sister will gonna buy for my mom. Ewan ko kung ano yung madidesisyonan nila. And then, I bought already for my ate Pinky because she will be part of Entourage. And again, Dennis approved. So, I hope she's looking for that option in San Jose City. That's in Nueva Ecija because basically we're based in Nueva Ecija. For me, I have 4 options. Hindi ko kasi ma-order na ang sister ko. I think I order XL. I'm not sure. I just need to check kung meron akong na-order na XL for her. I think hindi. But, well, we'll see. And one more thing, last night, na-board kami ng hubby ko. So, we just decided to walk around Festival City Mall. Nagpunta kami ng Carrefour just to check some items na for his personal stuff. And guys, if you are, I don't know kung itong inflation na to is only in the UAE, but I think it's global. When my in-laws were here, hindi ako pumupunta ng grocery store to buy stuff. They are doing that. I let them do that kasi mas na-enjoy nila, and at the same time My mother-in-law loves to cook every day, and of course Arabic sila, so they know what to buy, and hindi ako pang kusina, so I let them be. And just last night, I just realized na ang daming nagsimahal when you go to the Carrefour. Hindi ko masyadong napapansin dati kasi for the past few weeks kasi online ako nag-order sa Carrefour kasi nga it's more convenient. Hindi ko kailangan bitbit ng mabigat because mostly ma-consume kami sa tubig. And ang mabigat pa is yung mga laundry stuff, mga ganyan, mga milk, ganyan. So, I don't notice much. At saka kasi sa online Carrefour, may mga discounted sila when it comes to laundry. So, ang binibili ko lang yung may mga discounted. But, of course, it should be at the same brand na Ariel. So, last night, just to kill the time, we just roam around section by section. And my goodness, yung dating binibili namin na, for example, just the dark chocolate na Lind, nabibili ko lang yun ng 17 dirhams before. And now, it went up to 20 dirhams. So imagine, tumaas na siya ng 3 dirhams. And 3 dirhams if you convert it in Philippines money, it's around 3 times 15, 45, 50 or 55 something. And then, yung madalas kong binibili na blueberries na nakasale lagi na 5 dirhams or 4.99 dirhams. Now, it becomes 7.99 dirhams. So, in that small sense, syempre, malaki na rin yun. Diba? Kumbaga, yeah. And, my husband planning to buy the shaver kasi matagal na rin niyang hindi napapalitan yung gamit niya. And then there's a sales lady who recommended the Philips brand. Naka 6-in-1, there's 6-in-1, 11-in-1, 12-in-1, something like that. So yung mga accessories niya kasama na. And then while checking that item, my husband is busy checking to his Amazon. So, tahimik lang siya while the sales agent nagdi-discuss na ito, ganyan, mas maganda to kasi yung blade niya, stand steel, something like that. And then, my husband grabbed me. Then he said, check the price here in Amazon. My goodness, it's a big difference. In Carrefour, it's 229. That's for 6-in-1, 6 accessories, and the 1 unit. And with Amazon, it's only 129 dirhams. Imagine, there's a difference of 100 dirhams. So, it's a big savings, guys. So, why I'm saying this, it's just a suggestion and be mindful. Like, come on, guys, there's a lot of online platform now when it comes to buying stuff, and it's very convenient to everyone. You don't need to drive all the way. You don't need to take bus, taxi, or whatsoever transportation to any shop now, because Amazon, it's really big help to everyone. So this is a big saving. So hindi kami nag-proceed dun sa Carrefour for this Philip. I do need to restock because this is my last Nagan probiotics. So these are my routine omega. So, ayan, naka-prepare na yung cargo, pero kailangan ko pang punuin, maglagay ng some items. Yan, and naka-ready na rin yung luggage ko for traveling. So I got this also from Blue in Festival. Para yan sa magpapalit ako ng shower head kasi para to prevent my hair fall. Tapos yan na yung yung sa Shein. I'm so excited to open it. So, here you go. Kailangan ko na siyang buksan para kung sakali man na may i-return ako or meron akong kung sakali naman na may i-return ako or kailangan ko ng some alteration, I need to do this. Let's go! This is my second time na mag-unbox ko ng Shein. It's been a while. Excited lang ako sa mga long dresses kasi nga, syempre, a-attend tayo ng kasal. So, we need to do the proper dressing up. Oh my God, this is one. Packages. Grabe. Shopping galore. May mga bra din kasi ako nabili. Kasi mahilig ako mag-backless nowadays. And I just got some para hindi nakikita yung looking. And some scarf. I got this two kasi para kay ate. Isa. Okay. Siguro ang unahin ko is the 3 dresses for the wedding. Oh, this, I love this. Ang ganda ng material niya. but this is totally backless. But I love it. The material is, ano siya, mukha siyang mamahalin. Talaga. I don't know what you call this. Pero maganda. Tapos may lining siya sa loob. And this is perfect sa motif ng pamangkin ko sa kasal. Like this. So yung likod niya is para siyang ano, mermaid style. So that's the one, and that's really good. It's worth the price. Actually, nasa 100 something lang siya, 168, I think. Next, ito yung talagang formal siya. There you go. Maganda rin siya. And mahaba. May lining din siya. Yung meron siya dito. I don't know. I was thinking to cut this off. Para hindi siya ganun ka formal. And then meron siya mga designing here. And may sarili na siyang foam. So you don't have to worry about that. And there's a lining. Maganda yung stitches niya. This is at the back. And again, it's mermaid style. But I love that. I really loved it. It's really amazing. Impressed. This is the last one. Dress pa rin siya, Venus cut. And the material is really good. Army green. There. Sobrang haba lang talaga niya. Then I got this. Meron na ako dating na-purchase na ganito, but this is black. Before, may pagka off-white yung nabili ko. And this is really good as well. Ang kinukuha ko dito mga small size. Another one is coordinates. It's really summer. Yeah, material is good. Kasi white siya, so may lining siya sa loob. Yeah. It's really summer. Feel it's summer. Then another one is coordinates again. But this one, I don't like the material. No. I think i-return ko to. And I'm not sure. Alam mo yung kapag nagpawis ka, parang napaka-cheap ng material for this one. But the design is good. I don't know, siguro pag nalabhan. But we'll see. I'll just try it out. this one, coordinate siya, pink. Ayan. Pero ang laki pala niya. Small to but it's big one. It's really big. Shirt is good, pero small guys. Small. Pero ang laki niya. And this one is large. This is different. This is medium. Medium ang laki niya. Pero kasi meron siyang kasama na ganito. Tapos nakaibabaw lang ito dito. Yan. For the scarf, I got this. Minsan kasi pwede mo siyang, like for example, gaganyan mo lang siya. Then you can do the fold here, fold there. Tapos kaya mo siyang lagay. So, pwede na siya skirt. Diba? I got this color and this color. I love mustard, yung mga ganun. Yellow. Same ganun na siya ng length. But this material is way better than this. Or maybe, hindi. Parehas lang naman sila. Parehas lang pala. Na silk. Maybe because this color is way better than this. Next. This is the bralette. Oh God, ang laki. Ang laki niya. No, it's a no. For me. Ay, hang on. Sakto lang naman, full cup siya. So, ganyan siya. May extra siyang ganito. In case. Medyo komplikado nga lang yung mga ganito. Sometimes parang mas mainam pa na wala ka na lang bra. Diba? Mas comfy. Next is another bralette. Like this. This one, I think, maganda to. Kasi yung likod niya, see? So, okay. Ito. Ano pa na to? Sunglasses. Ang cute ng ano niya, New York. So, ang cute ng lagayan niya. Ano ba yan? madali na. Tapos mayroon din siyang pouch. Ang linis. And pouch. It's very York. Ano? Very work. The brand is very work. Meron akong nabiling salamin na Versace, and yun yung madalas kong gamitin, and nagandahan ko yung this is high polarized, yung shape nung ano niya. So sabi ko mag-try muna ako from Shein. Meron siyang ganito, polarized nga ba? Oh yeah. Oh, nice. This is nice. Ano lang to yata? Nasa 30 something. 30 dirhams. Why not? Coconut. It's so cute na. Kapit tayo sa likod. Mas madalas akong mamili sa brand for less because it's more cheaper compared. So I just decided to get another one, and I found this Colhan. Ganda niya. Nainlove ako. Mahilig ako sa mga medyo exotic kind, hindi the usual that natin. And I got this Colhan brand. So this is the Colhan. Super love it. Like, nung nakita ko talaga siya, trinay ko, gusto ko na talaga agad. I don't mind yung surprise. Kasi ganun ako, kapag nag-shop ako, ang dami kong hanas sa pagpili. Or most of the time, pag nagsha-shopping ako, mata ko lang yung umiikot sa shop. Tapos, kapag may nagustuhan yung mata ko at may nagandahan, I'll just gonna catch it and wear. On the spot, magde-decide ako if I will gonna do it, take it or no. So, this one, nung na-try ko siya, ang ganda niya, girl. Ang ganda niya. It's a 0 grams size. Tsaka, yung loob niya is napaka-soft. At saka maliit tignan yung paa ko dito kasi ang size ng paa ko, it's either 9 or 10. Next is this blue shower head. So, this is the look. So, yan. This around 399 dirhams. So, maganda daw to sa skin if you filter niya yung tubig. Kasi, dito guys, talagang grabe yung hair fall ko. So, we just decided to change the shower head. Tsaka meron siyang kasama filter. There's a free filter na ito. So, i-insert mo siya. Actually, may kasama naman na siya dito. So, yan. When we went to Bali, ramdam mo talaga yung difference ng tubig dito sa tubig doon. As in, sobrang refreshing ng tubig sa Bali. tsaka pakiramdam mo, ang linis-linis mo. Yun yung bigla kong na-miss nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi, lalo na pag sa probinsya, yun talagang hindi siya ganun ka-treated yung tubig. Yung spring lang talaga siya na galing sa bundok or minsan galing lang sa may karayan na tinatawag namin or ilog doon sa village. So, I hope this is something na magbibigay talaga ng difference sa pakiramdam, lalo na sa buhok at saka sa skin. And, by the way guys, kapag bibili kayo ng ganito, meron silang 1 month uh, para, alam mo yun, matry mo, matest mo kung talagang may difference. And you are free to return it kung wala talagang effect. So yeah, that's it for today. Makikita nyo sa mga shorts ko yung mga dresses. I will just try it. And yeah, we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. And this is the Shein unboxing or haul. And not only Shein, because I added the brand for less also in this blue. Lahat ng shinaping ko for this week, andito na. And I hope to see you to my next vlog, guys. Bye!